Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I received this past week from the company called Julienne. So I received these brow products and today I'm going to be showing you a demo as well as my full review on each product. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. So this is the actual colors of the product on the inside. The bottom one being the shade that you would use for the front of the eyebrow, and the top color is the darker brown that you would use for the rest of the eyebrow. So this brush is super cute, and it does change into a smaller brush, which is so easy to put into that case and take with you wherever you go. The first thing, I'm going to be brushing my eyebrows down, and this is so I can see exactly where I want to carve out my actual eyebrow. And then I'm going to swap it to the other side and then go in with the lighter shade. So this is basically the cushion, and the product is on the cushion. So I'm just going to lightly tap onto the lighter side first. It is liquid when you tap onto the brush. So I'm just going to be applying this in strokes. And automatically I can see some coverage. So you basically want to apply the product to the front of the eyebrow in a stroke motion. So this makes the eyebrow look more natural. So as I tap onto the cushion, there is a liquid substance that comes out, which is the actual product. This is how it basically looks. Then I'm going to start right here. I'm not really going straight into the front of the brow since we did carve that out with a lighter shade. You can already see how full my eyebrow looks now compared to when I started, and I'm so happy with this product. Yeah, this is definitely a thumbs up for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the brow and show you the end result. So this is the final result after I've applied my concealer, and as you guys can see, I am so happy with the result of this eyebrow. So yeah, I really do love this cushion. Okay, next guys, I'm going to be using this retractable brow pen, and this is in the shade dark brown as well. On one side it comes with a small spoolie to brush the eyebrows, and the other side has the actual product. And I think this is so easy, especially on the go. If you're in a hurry, this is definitely the way to get a quick brow. So let's see how good this product really is. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrow down first so I can get an idea of how I want my brow to look. I love the fact that it has a triangular top, so it makes it a little bit easy to kind of draw your eyebrow, and especially the strokes as well. I'm just going to be drawing some strokes right at the front of the eyebrow just to clear up any sparse areas. And slowly I'm going to be drawing a line. First thoughts, I can say I feel this product is so creamy, and it's not taking me so long to actually get the product onto the eyebrows. I've tried some pens before that was actually really difficult to actually get the product to stick onto my skin and onto the actual eyebrow. So I'm pretty impressed with how creamy this is and how good it is actually paying off, like the pigment. So I'm happy with the pigment and how the color actually looks onto the eyebrow. this is the final result after I have applied some concealer and cleaned up around the eyebrow. I am so happy with this product and I think I'll be grabbing this a lot in the days ahead. The next product is this Julienne brow pomade in the color called dark brown, and I'm going to be using the same small brush to carve out my eyebrows. Just applying a little bit of product on either side of the brush. Wow, you guys, the pigment I can already see. Wow, you guys, I literally just touched the product. I didn't really like dive in or anything, so this is insane. I'm already halfway done with my eyebrow and there's so much of product still left on the brush and the coverage is so good. Wow, you guys, this is a proper Insta brow and I didn't even cut out anything just yet with the concealer. So this product, I think by far has so much of pigment in it. Well, all of the products do have a good pigment payoff, but by far I think this, because it is a paint pot and there's so much of product in it, it's so creamy, it's so thick, it doesn't feel heavy on the actual eyebrow. Just went ahead and cleaned up the brow and this is the final result, you guys. Tell me guys what you think, which brow is your favorite and which product you think you would like to purchase. The next product that I'm going to be testing out is the Brow Tint Kit, and this is in the color dark brown as well. So you guys, I couldn't do it on myself because I already have so dark eyebrows and I prefer to fill my eyebrows in during the week. So my mom has very light eyebrows and we thought it would be really nice to get her eyebrows a little darker than it naturally is. This kit makes it so easy to tint your eyebrows at home. You'll never want to do it anywhere else, I promise you. The pack comes with a spoolie and 2 mini-sized products. You need some petroleum jelly and you need some earbuds to protect your skin around your eyebrow. Then you're going to go ahead and mix a pea size of each product together with the spoolie and you're going to mix it together. If you want a lighter eyebrow, you're going to mix a little bit more conditioner, and if you want a darker eyebrow, then you mix a little bit more of the black or darker tint. If you are not satisfied with the results the first time around and it is too light, then you can go ahead and do it once more. You leave it on your eyebrow for 3 to 5 minutes. Wipe the product off with a warm towel and you are done. Insta eyebrows on fleek, guys. So anyway, yeah, the eyebrows really turned out very well. My mom was really pleased and she wanted a very natural looking eyebrow, nothing too dark, and that is exactly what she got. So my final thoughts on this brand is, drum roll, I love it. I honestly loved each and every product. Each product brought a new and a unique difference to how the eyebrow looked. I was so happy with the pigmentation, the creaminess, and how high-end the product felt. I love brands that take time to make their packaging look and feel luxurious. So my Julienne, it's a thumbs up for me, and I'm so happy that all of the prices are so reasonable. So I will definitely be using your products a lot. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.